Happy Gay Month, everyone. Every straight person here can say one homophobic slur in your name. Oh no, I don't think we're gonna be doing that. Gravity Goo is coming. She's trying to get to the -1, but she's dodging it. And she doesn't want that positive coin. She's just gonna end the round with -2 points. Blue moon. Plus, oh, she dodges the +5. Why are you doing that? She hits a scale coin though. So everything's gonna get a lot bigger, a lot harder to control. That -5 is looking hearty, ready to attack. Peely, why are you doing that? Why are you dancing like that? Are you rocking out to the music? Dance, 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 dance. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dance bird, yeah, yeah, yeah. Dance, 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 dance bird, dance, dance. Oh. She's dodging everything. She's at +5. Can she touch that Gamble Goo? Oh! I don't know. Ah, she hits a Gamble Goo for 25 points. She's at +20 points. +10 more. 30. 35, 30. 40 points. Peely, what a round. What a Chivo. That's the highest scoring round Peely has ever had.